Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
Termina nga ginapamangkot nato na dula bala ang ability mo to smell or taste mo, no? So again, no, I'll be very scientific. So what are the evidence for that, no? So there are actually 3 reasons nga nagadula ang smell mo, no? And the first reason would be nasal congestion and obstruction, as well as rhinorrhea, no? Nagatubod ang tubig, congested ang ilong mo. So naturally, you would lose your ability to smell. Ang second nga theory or reason nga nagadula ang smell mo is that the virus was presumed to have destroyed ang imo nga olfactory apparatus. Bala mo ang imo nga ability to smell comes from the hair-like structure sa sulod sang ilong mo that detects the chemicals nga masimutan mo, and therefore the brain will interpret that as some form of a scent, no? So the virus were presumed nga ginaguba yan na. Pero ang pinagidya ka scientifically accepted nga reason nga agadula ang imo nga ability to smell is that this COVID virus, no, your SARS-CoV-2, ga-enter siya sa human body through an entry protein called the ACE2, no, ACE2. So amo na siya ang portal of entry sang COVID virus sa body naton. And these entry proteins, very abundant siya in the respiratory tract. So therefore, kung magsulod ang virus, isra siya ga-enter, ginaguba niya ang supporting cells ng imo nga olfactory apparatus, ang imo apparatus to smell. Therefore, nagaguba ang imo ability to smell. No? Amo nang scientific explanation. This is a newly discovered, no, nga form of your virus, which, we presume to have originated in China. So, may lain siya na characteristic, hindi siya common flu lang nato, no? So, it is more invasive, it causes more havoc, more catastrophic. Tapos pagsulod niya, it evokes, no, ang response ng body naton nga mas extreme than your common flu. And because of that, the other organ suffers as well. So, that's why it is more virulent, no, more deadly than your common colds.